If you ever experience a clunking sound or grinding sound on your Toyota Sienna, look at this. Holy cow, it's a broken CV axle. Look at that. Oh my god, wow. CV axle. So the car just, you know, won't go forward. It just keep on spinning and you can hear a loud grounding sounds, and because of this. So it's a 2011 Toyota Sienna. So that's the reason why you can hear that loud grinding sound, because of this. I don't know if this is aftermarket or what. 2011 Toyota Sienna, grinding sound, car stall and won't go forward. All right.